I got my Ender 5 Pro here. A little bit about one of the best upgrades I could do to this printer is this glass bed. It's a Creality glass bed. Two sides. You're gonna have the smooth side, which is here, and if you flip it the other way, it kind of pattern those dots. Still a stock printer. There's nothing I haven't changed or to direct extruder or something. I'm still using the same thing, the same setup. The only thing I did is change the bed, and I changed the spring underneath just because they lost their tension, the spring in it. This is probably the best upgrade I have done, just because if you know how to set up your printer, that basically the temperature, which is 17 degrees, I'm heating this to 70 degrees and then I'm dropping it to 58, so it will not warp. This Ender 5 Pro, and I think most of the Enders 5 come with a magnetic bed. They just peel it up, but you know, first time using it, I destroyed the bed. How many issues I had with the print not sticking to the bed, using raft, using this, that, the other. So I wanted to invest, and I invest. This cost me 25 euros. The first week it was terrible. Not get any print to stick to this bed, just because the issue was when they come from factory, from the manufacturer, they have some kind of protecting layer on them. They apply something on them. So if you don't wash it with the soap and water, or just simple water, nothing will stick to it. I figured it out just to take it underneath a warm water with plenty of soap and a sponge, or even your hand, and just wash the bed really good. And after that, I never, might be from 100 prints that I will do, maybe 5 of them sometimes will get stuck from the bed, but that's not the bed issue. Sometimes it's my leveling, or sometimes like you can see, I did not use it for a day and I have a lot of dust, so sometimes the dust will not allow it to stick. But mostly, like I said, 9 out of 100 prints, 95 of them stick, and it's so difficult to unstuck them. I have printed rods, long rods on this one, and it did not move, did not unstuck, didn't do anything. For Creality or basically any other printer, I believe glass bed is the way to go. I haven't used a glue stick, I haven't used tape, I haven't used anything except the glass bed. It sticks like crazy. I would suggest, if you have an Ender 5 Pro or something, go and buy a Creality. I don't know other brands, but I know Creality glass bed. Level it properly, wash it with plenty of water and soap. And believe me, this will change how you print, or how many failed prints you have. The nozzle that I have on this thing, I'm supposed to change them every 3 months or every something like that. I have this nozzle for like a year, haven't changed it, and it still prints and it sticks to the bed like a pro. I wanted to make a little bit of shorter video of, one of the best upgrades that I did to my printer, which was the glass bed. Just that if you have Ender 5 Pro, try a glass bed. Wash it. That's the tip that I can give you. Wash it with properly with water and a lot of soap, and everything will stick to it. For watching, subscribe, like, and share, and I hope I will see you in the next one.